In this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply sharp 9, sharp 5 in a real song. And the song we're going to consider is You Are My Strength, Strength Like No Other. To me, there's nothing more important than not just theory, but also application. And once you are able to apply what you learn in a real song, you're gonna become a pro. You're gonna be in the next level. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to apply the sharp 5 or sharp 9, sharp 5 on a real gospel song, which is You Are My Strength, Strength Like No Other. This is a very popular gospel song, and without no further ado, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to play it with the melody that I actually use a full track, where I have the melody, the bass, and also the rhythm, so that we could apply this particular gospel move or chord in that song. Now, this is the time for you to really sit down and take some notes, because I'm going to use 3 different tracks so you can understand that. I know a lot of you have asked me about applying those things in real songs. Now let's go straight to the lesson and let's just play the track. I'm gonna play it so you can hear where the sharp 9, sharp 5 is being applied to that particular song. I'm gonna show you exactly what is being applied when it does. See here, this is the sharp 9, sharp 5. Then here, I'm going to the 4th. I do a minor on the 5th, the 1 to the 4. Now we're going to play it with the bass. Now when I have the bass line, you're gonna hear it differently, because I don't have to play the bass in the left hand, because the bass is doing its job already. So one of the things that you have to do is stay away from the bass line. Now you could get any bass player really mad if you playing their part. Play your part. So that's why woodless voicing is important, and I will do more videos on that. And I'm gonna have a series of songs where I'm teaching you songs and real applications of songs, so you can learn this. Now I wanted you to hear that. What I did is we're gonna do, instead of doing this, because here I'm where the bass is, I want to do this instead. See, this is here. Then I do a minor 7, or even a D minor 13 on the 5th, and I go back to 1. This is G, B, D, F. Okay? Now here I'm on the 4th. I could do, see? This is a pentatonic scale. And then I'm going, since I'm going on the 6th, I do. See? Let me do it again. Now, you see what I did? So when I'm on the 4th, I go to, this is 3 going to 6, then I do a 7 going to 1, and I do this. Okay, go back to 4th. All right, so what we're trying to learn is how to apply this in real song, where we could do this sharp 9, sharp 5. Before we go to, we could do this minor 5th, and then sharp 9, sharp 5, going to 4th. I'm in the key of G, 2, and then 5. Now remember, this is not for beginners. We're just getting into a different level now. So certain things, I'm just showing intermediates how to break to that basic habit. So the chords have to be like more added with extensions, upper extension, upper structures, and altered dominant. So most of this, you're gonna hear some altered dominance. This is extremely important. Let's continue with the song now. Now, it might sound that I'm doing a lot, but what I'm actually doing is every time I'm going to the fourth, which is one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is C minor. I do the, or I could do this is the pentatonic scale, or it could be the blues scales also. If you had the blue note on it. I do this again. Let me do it here. See again. And sometime before I go to the 5, which is D, the dominant, I could do this again. Here you're gonna find a sharp 5. It's right here. Sharp 9, sharp 5 right here. And I do the source chord right here. Then go back to 1. So this is You Are My Strength like no other, in application in the real song, where I'm applying this real gospel move in those. Okay, so I'm gonna have more series like this. Okay, so and this is what we're gonna move on. Let me know. Sometimes we might even bring some songs, and we're gonna use different keys, not just the key of C. It could be F sharp, could be D, it could be G, it could be any key that you want to. But like we did again. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. And also you can join my member area, where I go slower with this type of techniques and that we use. Okay, so we do. First thing is the melody. See? Then I do this. This is 3, 1, 2, 3, going to 6. See, when I have the melody note on top, I don't have to play the melody. I'm just playing some chords. Let me show you again what I mean. Now we come at the end of this video, and I know that you've learned a lot. And if you've learned something new, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, so that this video could reach more people like you who are looking for stuff like this. Now, this is the time when I'm applying what we've been learning for the past couple months now to real song with rhythm, the bass line, and how we should use it. Like, for example, if I'm playing in the key of G like we've been doing, I'm gonna stay away from the G. So as far as the bass, so I'm probably use the third, first inversion, or maybe just a second inversion. And then we do it for any other chord, right? And then we learn also how to get from the fourth, where you could use the minor fifth, you could do 13, and then you go to dominant 7, go to the 4. So we consider that song, You Are My Strength, strength like no other. And we have lots of other songs that we're going to use because, like I said at the beginning of the video, I prefer to learn by practicing, by applying, not just theory, because this is what we're going to be doing in this channel, and we're going to have a lot more songs. Now, I want your opinion on this. I want you to leave me a comment, because I know if you've watched this video all the way through, that means that you've learned something, right? You like the video, and show me that. Okay, so thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. You like, your share, your likes, your share, your comments. Everything means a lot to me. And I support this channel because everything that I've learned, not just for 20 years, but also as a real gospel musician that will play in church, different style, then I want to teach you that on this channel. Now, if you want some further details, more in-depth lesson, you can always sign up in my Patreon page or just sign up to the members area. Now, remember, continue following this channel. Do not leave this page without leaving me a comment. Or you could even, leave me a song that you would like to learn. Any key, but I'm gonna just go to the original song and see what the key it is in, see if I would prefer to play in the original key for a lot of other people. Now, this is not for beginners, because that's, as you can see, I don't go back like doing G, B, D, because I'm assuming that you guys know certain things, but you just know the chords, but you don't know how to apply them. Well, that's where we have this real live songs where we actually playing those chords so you can apply them in real song. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, leave me comments, and see you in the next lesson.